Class 10 English Fire and Ice Short answer type questions. Question 1. Why does the poet hold with those who favor fire? Answer. The poet takes side with those who believe that the world will be destroyed by fire. Frost connects fire with lust and endless desires. Desires like fire spread rapidly and engulf one's whole life. The poet has already experienced desire on the basis of his experience. He knows that excessive desire will destroy the world quickly. That's why he holds with those who favor fire. Question 2. What do you think would be enough to destroy the world? Can fire and ice contribute to it? Answer. Our desires and hatred would be enough to destroy the world. According to the poet, fire represents desire and ice represents hatred. Desires like fire spread rapidly and engulf one's whole life. Similarly, hatred fills life with poison. In other words, both of them have the power to ruin the world. Question 3. How will the world end twice? Answer. According to the poet, both the elements fire and ice are destructive forces that are alone enough to end this world. Fire represents unbridled passions and desires. Similarly, ice symbolize hatred. The poet thinks that our violent desires will end the world. If it survives, it will be ruined by hatred. Question 4. How has Frost brought out the contrasting ideas in the poem? Answer. In this poem, Robert Frost refers to two contrasting ideas, fire and ice, as predictions of how the world will end. According to him, some people say that the world will end in fire, while some say that this will end in ice. The poet equates desire with fire and hatred with ice. Question 5. How does the poet caution the common man? Answer. Through this poem, the poet wants to convey the message that there should be uncontrolled desire or hatred in the world. Both of these are equally destructive. So we must be free from these two. Make our world beautiful. Thanks for watching.